welcome back to my channel. I have a Dollar Tree shop with me for you guys. Check out these candle making sets. You can get them in 4 different fragrances, and I thought they were going to be different than this, but all it is little pellets that you pour in the design that you want. Then I found these little trinket trays, or not trinket trays, but you know what I mean, like little jewelry boxes. They were in the shape of a heart, and they had them in white, pink, blue, green, and I love the inside of these. That gold is just so pretty, and it's not really green, it's like more of a mint. I'm obsessed with the pink and the mint. And then I found these are trinket trays, and I'm obsessed with these. I love the white and I love the gold. They've really stepped it up on their gold color paint. It's a lot different than it used to be. It's more shiny and vibrant, and I just love it. Here are some nautical decor type little items, and they had them in 2 different colors, but there was like 4 different designs, I believe, within the 2 colors. So then I found these little simple silver, they also had it in gold, picture frames. I think these are really, really cute and would be such a cute little, maybe even DIY for something. But here is the gold that they had it in as well. How cute are these? And I actually really like if you put the size picture frame that picture that they're showing inside of it, that you'll have that clear background. I know we've seen the gray before, but I wanted to show you guys the black. I'd never seen that before. I'd also never seen these LED glow art boxes. You just put in the little pellets how you want them to be designed. Here are some more of those balloon words. They had babe, and they also had boss, or in other words, boss babe. So then I found this toucan, I think that's what they're called, and it was in this beautiful gold color. They also had these new hanging signs. They had the one that said you're a peach, and I really like these because they have the Scrabble letters, or well, it's supposed to be Scrabble letters on them, and I think these would be great for DIY. Here are some little tabletop decors. I love sloths. I'm not like the biggest fan of these because these are more for little girls, but they had the unicorn, and it says rainbow chaser, and then right here they had, I believe it's a cat. Yeah, it's a cat. And these things are super, super thick, which I thought was pretty cool. Here is a little girl boss sign. All of this stuff is more for like little girl rooms, or, you know, it's for like child decor. Here is some You Are Curly Tight Curl Enhancer. Thought I would show you guys that because that's pretty big package of it for $1. Here is some Salon Selectives Frizz Control Leave-In Conditioner. I wanted to show you guys these because these are absolutely beautiful. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on that notification bell. Share with your friends and family or on all your social medias. Give this video a thumbs up and leave me a comment down in the comment section.